for a higher juicy news. Mima Ubibia Kwaba. Had the latest hot unqua enamide Bremo. Anuti Sonya subscribe to channel dia Bomodia say obe subscribe. Yobe say obe click a year the subscribe button. Na wabele notification. We understand video fufuru bi ebe upload no. When the first person I want sa ebe kan sa video. Afi we are na wa like video. Give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ma wo fufuru so na when you be hwe na wo hu ensemo ayekoso e wo Ghana memo ano. Afi yebura ye ensemo abeto yepno so Reverend Ntim Fordjour ni sema wo kokeka ye no akoye ensem de ja chese wo fa dance yemra chese wo hu de wo ye ho akoye ensem pi na we na ye Kwame Aplus ye Kwame asare obin ono na ye MP Gumwa Cetra ono so react ama wo de ensem dodo na ratu jafa Reverend Ntim Fordjour ni sema wo kokeka e fa ye wibhye a osusu se ye koke e de sika bi eguma ye de abepie Ghana memo hanom na yenti Aplus ni sema wo de etudwa e fa Ntim Fordjour ni sema wo kokeka yenti Kwame Aplus ni sema no ntiro
major comment on the ekoso mampani kra de ho krata to Facebook minim so kan bia bado planes ya Abidjan airport for 5 days for 12 days ko wi eche ko yeni ba bia de be ye wo Ghana and then join us further investigation I reveal say omo etu free Ghana on 25th March no kra no sounds so far best 25 25 stops wo kwan so Santa Maria Bangor
Santa Maria
Ghana has Santa Maria
hey boy
ho nyina nsa na ekodru Gran Canaria Spain no into no the question is say e na saplings no ebeye ye ne ade wo so eye bibia wo so man for the serious
me feel say obi raise concerns be o see ahwem say obi if you see something say something. So me rent here constituency omo say truck bia e be gina ho a enyoma gusu apedom kofre police am mehwe police for behwe dey who say eh omo bom ne ECG for the buy who say oh eh ECG for nyoma o ti ase and there is nothing wrong with obi be hu bibi na obeka bibi but there is one thing that I want to tell every Ghanaian ene John Mahama be president 3 months in here John Mahama oyenipa His Excellency John Dramani man say medical catcher say me ankasa catcher president say me appointment say edu time na wo ka o mampani ho asampa bobi adwen say obi a wo hwehwe appointment bi me mpe me Kwame Aplus me mpe but I'm person me catcher Ghana fo nyina say mamu ntie dede no the noise say ye the apple to her no matter the distraction wo de beba no an apple will remain an apple. John Mahama oyenipa is a very good man. He has been there before. He has the experience and he is ready to build this country. Omunyina hwe en policy na ye no Cecilia MPP fo free aban mu MPP fo nya no kasa wo krom omamu ha NDC fo te ho hwe omo enna nansenya eden na yanka yen kra ye ka omo ho a ye de omo ba power 2017 ubie wa no kasa omamu ha atemdidie John Mahama ye nipa no kra no ka wasema o se yen kohwehwem omo bulldog no nyina kasa kra echi omo tum and like okasa na echi and 3 days ya mufi abem MPP for me no be omo confidence ni fi and it makes me angry Cecilia NDC bar power because the true owners of the country omo no money there so they have to start talking about what everybody in my constituency to be on my Facebook in 2 weeks in the 2 weeks ago I'm a constituency. I was there with the Lands Commission, the Executive Secretary of Lands Commission, Onwankasa Baby, Mr. Nsia from Free Zones Board. He was there. The coordinator for Africa Continental Free Trade Area, Dr. Farid, he was in the constituency because we want to develop a new free zones enclave in Gomwa. To the moment time kakrebi.
Not just a vision no song. Na bebia wo ko ye rofo se ase brofo kanti na wo ko parliament no o monte wonka na Aplus wonkasa eni ade I think say one man nchemuni kakra bi with the okan Cecilia no e de na beka che do some criticize o se bia brofo ye problem a into that o monte wonka parliament
me mente ye no
monte ye
yeah
oh okay
me mente ye no
na de we na wate
and it will be I will be surprised to hear say obi eka asasem no because there are 275 people in parliament 275. Bakuma, your friend say, I think Ablekuma.
Yeah.
And so currently we have 276 people in Parliament. And out of the 276 people, no, if you are given a 700 or 800 page document and you are supposed to read it in 24 hours and summarize it in 5 minutes, that is a lot of work. That is a lot of work that you have to do. You have to read the whole budget and you have 5 minutes to summarize it and comment on it on the floor of Parliament. And that's a lot of work. And and out of the 276 people, everybody wants to have an opportunity to have the opportunity to have a bite. Everybody. And so take a certain level of enuording any ahubwa to have the opportunities that I have had to be on my feet on 2 or 3 occasions in the chamber as a first timer. Obiatra Parliament 8 years, you will not have that opportunity. Obiatra Parliament 20 years, all the people that you see on radio and making noise and talking, how many of them have had the opportunity or have had the courage to be to be on their feet in the chamber to make comments? And in 3 months, I have had the opportunity to have a bite on issues on the floor. And I don't think that, and that's not even the reason why I went there. The reason why I'm in Parliament is for Mencroft I want to ensure that their lives have changed significantly. Impact on my life in a way. That is what is important to me. Okay. I think that I've spoken more than many of the people who have been in Parliament for long. But there's so many people who are not there just for talk. It has to make a lot of sense. Yes.
Now, no, maybe say now who Parliament no behind Ebrana Nkumu and no could Obeka say, were you ready for it? Said the number of documents you have to read, the pages you read, summarize, make your case, and I say, say. Why envisage and say, Baya Dendensa?
I did about Kwaku Annan. And I think that before I went to Parliament, said that is how it is. But there's nothing wrong with it. Nyankopon bo Adam ni if we are so no ho. Onu sa Bible Nyankopon so no ho so bo nipa. Enti se Nyankopon bo wi ase wi no no ho a. Se ebia menu aba kan bibi na them what is in there. There's nothing wrong with it. There's something that is at Proverbs chapter 4 verse 7. Also seek wisdom, and in all your seeking, seek understanding. So how things work, you have to seek understanding. And I've a lot of understanding about how things work in Parliament. Parliament say no went to me and pushy said Pesamekasa, you will never be on your feet. And if you want to be on your feet, there is a document that the report came now. On mine also, I will say the finance minister about so about no nyoma, and I will say a question 1 month near review a report na vetting appointment committee in the by no, it has to be reviewed now. And also what being sharp, your document to anymore. Also you will be able to me the entire document and you understand it, or you follow proceedings at the appointments committee. And to any home Parliament, I was agreeing.
You just follow ECG Containers 1300. Kowi National Secretary Tronkata kwaje 706 kwaje 204 Minister nyawe yesi ayira kowi ani ene je ehira yakodi National Secretary ho enkomo na ye bebre what follow ni na wo take wo ho yedi
me feel say oman ya yetimu I was say yeti Ministry for Nyansa.
It's Ministry for Common Sense.
Bibisa. Because you never read and make sense, mommy. And now, and yet politicians need to be out. Civil service, no, any public service, no problem. Yeah, they be a many politician or politician with general license officer. And our passport officer, politician be general house or yada. And one what's home with man. And we a politician. Now one person better send you no. No more we near Dean Bibria. Omo pam so mbe o said ampare. Ghana ni say we are the papa. We are the papa. You are at the bonia for bebusi. Omo mubu say dampare Bibria na ye ma kwama wo mbokro no. Very simple. hwe ECG asma ye ken aban enioma aba na aban ntumi ntua duty ama aban nti aban aton no enioma no ama individual na nyansa ba ne wade we mu ase yen ya dwen no se eye paper use o se yesuro se use a bill beba se den odwen ho nti ase we use careful with left pocket not the show right pocket a we you say bia me use careful in my left pocket am da be share me right into me nyesika eye wa sika corona enti sa aban gi duty wa aban ho a na aban dia me dwen ho a me just obi chiremu e bia wo na wo nchiremu na sa aban ntumi ntua duty a aban aton aban nyoma no ama individual anti aban how ECG container the bar nipa na ye the contract man so fa nyoma na mra no also tua duty mon ye CIF also tua duty na odi kogu warehouse ye tua ne kan ye de aka ho na containers yi ne ade nyina beba ebeba no na nyina gu port because nipa de ye se on fa medru port enti egu port no no yi ne safe no to twan sa aban wonyoma no ebe gu port enti no me twan ho na wan fa mba wan face camba media me twan no atwan ya enti aban face camba na customs for say egu ha chenti o say ye auction enioma na ya aban dia no na ebia ndipo na ode bae no yetumia auction amon no a no wasan agi o ansa na oba bagi ni sika na ode kotoye no aban ho yetio no man ye ni say ya oba ebe yi
to show ya brana
oh na apart from abroye den bi and adiwe eye so deep obi obetuma president wa Ghana no obe very successful no just so you be or adwen boni woni trim
how
gentleman be no betumi ruga wo dem adwen boni woni trim ye num bi wo ho a me won say me a strong supporter of Dompreh emfa me ho no be kan fa no ho bia emfa me ho sa na wo say John Mahama oye no bia be kan fa John Mahama bia emfa me ho me defend John Mahama because Piata Mills score port sometime make his excellency nyame fa the currency ye Professor Mills or port sometime na akaso obesun se adan because omo akaso mo arrangement wo ho ano den and it is very difficult to uproot it, extremely difficult. Into when your president bia wa bodama ontumi ye Ghana wo ye papa enye yi into say ye nya binum te samu any media for now na ye adwen say yen de be support obi o ye papa so no, irrespective of nyankofo be kan ho we have to support because ECG asma ye ken me say me 2 weeks it will be over. Just give us about 2 weeks asem newu me constituency ye che truck ECG nyoma enwome guso ye susu say ye ECG nyoma
ate
and 3 days ye truck in ya chinisi wo say ye ka say police issue statement so much omo cables ni ade bebre eguso omo ewogomu awomre ya che no egu ye pese ye hu say hwan na de so a omo ya and we will find out say ade we kofa wo hen efri hen ko hen bill of I don't know way bill no doesn't make sense. Osum omo de kwata kwa ye den obepie e kwa aguna so aduro. Into omo aka so mo nimade a omo ye. And it is very difficult the kind of issues are e won memu ha no ano den.
Na so ka so mo nimade omo ya omo no eye henfo.
Oh eye port ho no connection no wo sa port ho. So wo behwa John Mahama, His Excellency Mampeni, or the Sojenia Beye Gapuha penny, and or the Sojenia Beye Customs penny. Or be to me, like obey to me, I share Yoma, resetting Yoma ye. Into no this Sojenia Bahon because Soja Fonu Subaino, the way they are mobano, a training on my grain ye different. Because port hono and no me cost was our port hono. It is very difficult for any government. And now they have a way to make you unpopular. They have a way. Why you unpopular? Me say me we am a president and no be bro and family. O come plus like me like you say me ba me say yesika ni so. O pa ko tran wiase no ko bie video no cause na come plus and no call parliament no yesika ni so and family hu like me ade me fe pan sama denya no obi come asem. O ka papa o di matemo meni age like in Shrapa make crema nyame shira me some denya no one day na the whole Ghana will be a coming kwama asem. Was 2017 mene a asensunum nya issue mitumi danya na newspaper bi am front page hey mitumi twitwa send me papa say hwe
what's trending
o ma muni nyina wo for daily graphic me bo front page wo for daily guide like the whole country be bia me bo for ye me filisa no mu di matam o za mitumi ko Ghana we ko content di na me mark he akoyi na no ya wo hey hwe omu di matams en fa me ho me say wo the position ma me obi abedwane omu ba yem sa en fa me ho won si yenya nipa adwen sa omu ni adin omu be ka say omu be make sure say the right thing is being done we ye me say obi na wo honorable mentor aba ma say for aba wo to me ye kutawo me hu say what to aba ma me yi wa ba na ma fa for aba ko
o ye campaign no
ewurade yesu amuso kwame plus ya na blue no touch red ne kakra to mama akwe because ni papa bebre wo ho mo hu say no abrantie obeye constituency ye but politicians no ya na bebre no musuro na mekoye ne yekoka say ye na mekoye say ya da bi yesu ba wiase no na farisifo no wo ho no be very powerful but yesu kofa peter no say nkofo we omo ye John no forget omo ne yenkoye nim kan okura kire nipa obi esuro port ho issues e koso of tamaport edosun enkrofo de azaje enkrofo nioma enkrofo de azaje car dealers forecast ye de azaje enkrofo sika ukoyi wo no too many issues omo ya no mafa aban de no kra kan obi entumenka
Mameka ose ne honorable Kwame Asare Obin A+ na Edin Komogomwa Central Member of Parliament na me obi bisase what said ya uchimui and the mindset wukita we were kasananka and ye besia o mampani resetting agenda what ya be when you beje sebia mampani ebe ma appointment na sha hipa na wadwen ubetumi e de asesam yo mama nsakra ba
appointment no enye wo na wo be kire mampani say mame appointment
so but at least ubetumi a media ma ho odin de me no me we are more of radio adie communication side me perform me pa
me Cecilia me wo hoi me mpese bibia be distract me if you go mo central me mpese bibia like me mpese me ya ade a ebe ma minya time e ma go mo central me pese go mo central eye a new Ghana
tumpa appointment
da bi me last time me ne omampani trans ye di nkomo me ka kire say me ka Australia some say me one thing that I'll never be in this country is a minister. I don't want to be a minister. Me focus because me yenyi ewa sebu gomu asebu. Me na me papa kakra wonesem but me nu odi machi malaria measles ne kunu. Ni odi onu achi malaria ne kunu. Me wofaba malaria ne kunu and it's like me bra hepatitis intino ye hu nyoma bebre but yen po anaka krasa bi kakra wo yansam ne se metnas na mehwe me kofie na mehwe me nkrofo na me say and ye na chese omo na hwe ni omo sam no omo abre sa abre no na ne me pese obi hu se omo nua bedi MP the whole gumwa omo nua bedi MP na omo nua na we bedi MP no obenya omo ho time or green ho or best sasa nyoma na yakotru for so long no enti no me mempe appointment me pese me focus nyina ya gumwa but oba me man from now to the ending of your me invite you to your lunch no we are going to launch a 24-hour business district in Gomwa Central and I will invite you to the lunch.
I will be there.
Yes yeah pese ya to wall for Gomwa Central ho say you ho kwan ya ho ke be to wall afa Gomwa Central ho and answer will be wrong. We call a new Ghana. You near Bracer, you will join the president to reset this country, and not just by building infrastructure, by resetting the mindsets of the people. We are very serious about this.
Mate ebre aswanesa but me person o me jo comment on the ekoso mampani kra de ho krata to Facebook menim so can be about planes ya abegina airport for 5 days for 12 days ko wi eche ko yeni ba bia de beye wo Ghana and then joining us further investigation I reveal say omo etu free Ghana on 25th March no kra no esan so fa best 25 25 stops wo kwan so Santa Maria Bangor
Santa Maria
Ghana ha Santa Maria
hey boy
ho nyina ansa na ekodru Gran Canaria Spain no inte no the question is say e na saplings no ebeye ye ne ade wo so eye bibia wo so man fa the serious
me feel say obi raise concerns be o see ahwem say obi if you see something say something so me rent your constituency omo say truck bia ebe gina ho a enyoma gusu apedom kofre police am mehwe police for behwe dey who say omo bom ne ECG for the buy who say ECG for nyoma o ti ase and there is nothing wrong with obi behu bibi na obeka bibi but there is one thing that I want to tell every Ghanaian ene John Mahama be president 3 months in here John Mahama oyenipa His Excellency John Dramani man say medical catcher say me ankasama catcher president me appointment say edu time na wo ka o mampani ho asampa bobi adwen say obi a wo hwehwe appointment bi me mpe me kwa me blast me mpe but I'm person me catcher Ghana fo nyina say mamu ntie dede no the noise say ye the apple to her no matter the distraction wo de beba no an apple will remain an apple. John Mahama oyenipa is a very good man. He has been there before. He has the experience and he is ready to build this country. Omunyina hwe en police na ye no say MPP fo fu aban mu MPP fo nya no kasa wo krom oman mu ha NDC fo te ho hwe omo en na nansenya eden na yanka yen kra ye kan mu ho a ye de omba power 2017 ubie wa no kasa oman mu ha atemdidie John Mahama oyenipa no kra no kan wasem o se yen kohwehwem omo bulldog no nyina kasa kra echi omutum and like okasa na echi and 3 days ya mu fi abem MPP for me no bebi omu confidence ni fi and it makes me angry Cecilia NDC bar power because the true owners of the country omu no money there so they have to start talking about what they are talking about what in a way is it and I don't throw omu no mu tikwi no mu ni mabebuo nto mu bebubu be abetra radio so besu enche bi ombe start yesu so man mu ade mo dollar koya ko 17 and ya 3 months ajo Mahama be president the whole Ghana obi a finding a voice obi a be start akasa yet your memu ha na Atta de the company or the G a friend saying a loan more manya the company ne benefit obi a ye din because obi asuro otumfo or say tutu me nya santini but me small say na otumfo because otumfo views the way na with me hold the Asante chieftaincy disputes na de ani ho no nyame nhira no nyame ntu no nkwam I have so much respect for otumfo the whole otumfo say tutu Akufo Addo president no kasa or ye careful one can free SHS asama ko Akufo Addo free so moti o memu manipa ntumi home nipa ntumi nkasa ene ya John Mahama ne NDC ba ba mu nyina mate egum saa yo yenko ye dede magana form serious
na consensus o mo raise no enye bibia eye so o mo draw my attention
big aeroplane be si ha na etu me dem say wo asama aka obi anka
so mo kan tia na wo say pro
ba me pese me kire o mo say so mo ehu nia na ye ka na o mo di atem no so mo ehu say wo to opposition so to make asa Cecilia ko opposition membe de ampo de me ne baaye ye nyina ye number ku nyenu sun fide ye number nu na hwe ne ye nyina ko sun fide na ba na mo hwe jame na me kokan ya mo adwa ye de no kra ne ne ya na se nyina ye adwuma ne ba power na mo start is a mobile no ye se ye be ye man na mo nkwa mo to wo na mo nkwa mo shem ye adwuma mo ya mo man bi ye Ghana for
ntene kwabena na de yesan
empache wo eye dan ti eye dan na ba ye nti a obonsam ne nyame nya problem nyame se bonsam awe ne apo 2000 years ni ne so nyame le kumanto ne yam obi a wade ma ne bufu wo wiase obi akọwe nyame apo 2000 years yase nyame owa ne buchefu eye oya humobro oye de 2000 apple ba ko green one ye ton wo kwan ho Green.
Where they will say they no bia.
I am one I'm catching.
More men come.
Green yes, Apple traffic me. Obon some Korean Yamedia Bako Pebesin ne, Yami Bufu Abesin ne. Na media Akufo Addo dem bufu amosi adenti na ya kom. Obi awo baby amekoko eye ne ya.
Yes, so pa.
Up to now Akufo Addo still medwa. Yankopon ekuma ton ye ma meso ekuma betom ye.
Say nim say omo yi Korea po e na nyame bufu ye nti wo no Akufo Addo ye wo den na bufu no.
Me hu na meka kire ono a.
O ye wo den.
Na sa na nado ye no na aba power. Wo se bebu man. Na wo ma kenofuriata na hwanwoma kenofuriata ye wo kroma o ma mu ha. Na MPP for crowd ye ade ye me ya wo ho ne se sike yo mu di menuanu mu. Food soldiers na de ya ma mu bi. Ya ma mu bi o. Ade achepe na yakoche kenofuriata nti ye be demonstration with the movie. Na ye kan wo kan bi sike so mu chedi o mu ama. O ti ase.
Akufo Addo ye den na still na ya ode wo mu.
Na Akufo Addo obi a waba Ghanaian to say
o promise one na one ni so na.
Oh dabi. Akufo Addo anyi so promise me no ndi so hu say so when ye friends ye number nu sum fidi a ye number nu na ehwe e be na me bu no.
So mo didi ja o.
Na why na didi ja no wi ase na ni beje mon kan no kro wi ase na wo me no tuwe boys am no me ye campaign man hwe mo ni beje.
So mo didi ja o.
Omu didi ja the whole Ghana o me ni pa for no mo chedi ye.
Omu didi ja wa na.
Wo mo didi ja o. Ana o ni didi ye.
Manye adwuma mo mama power o na wo ye adwuma. Omu didi ja.
Wo ko yo dollar wo bank na say you see the bank na wo de constant dollar na nka so wonya 10,000 na wonya 2,000 e ye usika no mo edi no.
Nti sabi na wo de ne ye.
Affect obia.
Sabi na de ne ye.
The whole Ghana affect obia. Na wo ba Ghana hey. Opani na wonyi edui. Na wa wo hwe abrabo owiase. What is ato aba mo bi 30 ahe percent da.
Ma nya 30%.
Ya no mfo yi. Mo we na nsen.
The documents are ECG aba minim de 41%.
Na what be da?
But that is the ECG aba
41%. What be o ma mu hada?
Me ba cho
what be da?
Mina answer question.
Okay, my answer ma. Obi anya 41% da. Omu didi ja the whole Ghana. Omu ni pa be 4.
Me da say. Na unkudi mu dia wudi ye. I've been wanting to ask you. Yetiti din bebre say MPP fo bi krata wachi na wudi wini sa seat no. Yati din say onabo Kennedy Agyapong Japan. Yasanso ato onabo Brene Champo ampa.
Obi otamachi bi atamachi.
Ampa mpanyifo mi no obi support e won.
Obi kwat me bom pae ma. So me bom pae.
But mpanyifo mi no obi support e won constituency ho ana.
Support be.
Bet my finance, me kind of financial.
No mo bom pae ma me.
Omo cho so mo bom pae ma. E disca better wachi.
Me say empire bo. Oso sika.
Na me say Matia no but me say so mo disca better wachi ana.
Mo face cam mo dem pae bo time echi.
Na mpaibon nkwa wini lesi nya wana ati asese wo anya adwuma amfa sika nkwa wo be lusi
nti mpaibon na no mboma to just o mutu no pani ni pe wo Ghana on betumi ama miska
de mate no nti na me
bisa say na me ka so mo no a wo bom din no mo de mpaibon na time echi omo ye menam fofo na politics yenyen hwe na abugina po na jonjina po omo ye nua ba kote ha Uwi anu abeka say ono Boakye Agyapong na ebo ani Aplus na abugina po ne jonjona po mo yaka Akufo Addo ni na fofo wa NDC mu Akufo Addo na fofo bebre NDC fo ukọ MPP obi a wa danfo obi abo na danfo enti membe na fofo no mo de mpaibọ na time echi
Mate Aplus medase Galamsey nsebidie so
Galamsey na MPP fo no omo hu say John Mahama be president mo ntro we into ho we kwa no betumi dia news mo ntie ni ye we particular one American we betumi dia news MPP fo hu say NDC aba power pe na omo sigum say afide Galamsey na omo ya ma John Mahama ni megu ase
how
ai MPP fo no na omo ya Galamsey na ye kan omo njai no John Mahama ba ban mu na afede omo nyina tiegum nti MPP fo nko na ye Galamsey the whole Ghana MPP fo no mo ni abre omo ye Galamsey gidi omo aseda omo pese omo ya na ye kaso gold board na edi aba na ye be ntino John Mahama hia gold bebre ntino omo ye Galamsey MPP fo na aseda ye sa ade no obi a excavators omo qualify excavators se omo de ye Galamsey nti yanko chimbra omo sign excavator no omo minister be ka chance 500 ayera ko omo sign de ko group pet no mu
nti da Ghana for 20 year wo no aban fo fraba measures be no de egu akwa so abebo na ba so say
Galamsey fight no ba aban mu no o start be a year your Mahama crowd wire there oguso a ototo enti no mo te Blue Army omo ti say omo be stop Galamsey no obia nko register bibia wo ye gold no yen stop mining wo krum hande yen stop ochina
evidence
put me on record. We are going to mine in Ghana Yakupon chen a form a good year say yentu nyamfa your mining year, so mining will never stop in Ghana. We are going to mine kusenya yesu beba but yen saying so there are kwine papa or why faso editu gold enti ye befa sa kwine papa no so obi or illegal mining your mama betchen but your mama is going to ensure say gold na e wo memu ha no ye tu dia your money ye wo South Africa ye tu gold or Rustenburg Sun City na ye tu gold omon say so omon say enti yensu be tu gold ha obi amfa kwan papa so wa wo be fa kwan bone so no na wo be DMPP fu echi na wa sheda ko tutu akosai forest ni we no ye no be deal
evidence ben na was MPP for na edisa adwuman
for 8 years no mo ye Galamsey say ya purchase 4 years ya 3 months we na ndisi fa ko ye Galamsey for 8 years na Galamsey okrum na ya kan wasam sa 8 years unti se so person tell me say 3 months yi ndisi fo atumi akra excavator fi abroche de abade be start ye omo ana omo ye na ye kan no na omo ka chen so omo party hiska enti no omo boys ni ko ye Galamsey no omo ana afi omo ati omo ho agum ye Galamsey no mo omo a NDC ni be Galamsey krafi na obe start afi na okra nyoma afi na obe start onu ho
again na man hu sir because previous years na and even within MPP period you know unto be betumi asubu aka say na MPP fon kwa na ye Galamsey na say MPP fon kwa na ye mine na NDC fo bi nim
na dabi under oyomo aban no and e be hu so mo party chairman ya report on party chairman eti Erasmus Asadon ko ye minipa Erasmus or Erastus.
Yeah.
Erastus ya madam for pa and Erastus has briefed me on how the state sponsored the people to engage in Galamsey. It is state sponsored, being protected by military and police. Erastus told me man kasi obi Erastus okoye investigation wa beka kira Akufo Addo say nana saying Ekoso and Nanado didn't have the will to stop it. Nanado knew, and I'm not surprised if he was benefiting from Galamsey. And you know, Ofi Abema, I will never be surprised. Ubi Kachem Akufo Addo was benefiting from Galamsey. I won't be surprised because his party chairman, some minds now, your friends, Omukoshe Forest Momu Yegumano. Now later, better say, Chairman won't to mediano. Akonta mine and why there. I know Bakachem said, your mama by Galamsey Abagana. It was Akufo Addo and his people who were encouraging Galamsey. And so, omwa na aye NDC ni bia nko starting ye Galamsey MPP for no na omwa ye meeting say mumma yen ya de no na Ghana for de ompa ye Galamsey enti yen ya na Ghana for bunfu na NDC hu ye hi
meeting nothing be
na meeting ni aye bibia etina meeting etumi ye WhatsApp ombetumi at WhatsApp group aye meeting
na hwa na bebo wa mane
enti oba enti wuti we sanka uni aba man me na materials na me interviewer enka because you be saying ka won text me say membo ni din ewunu abema pananya da bin ka won text me say
said maybe say meeting na woni mu bi o say bia online
Ghana have bia no meti bibia omo na aheda yes ade no just to make the government look bad na nye mo di aban mu 8 years mo ntumi stop Galamsey enna me nan say me hwe obi say o ye demonstration adanya adum so abaga na biom na we say first na me MP na kemeka say nkwasi asem na mudi
asamba nya botre
say my MP me ntumi nka say mudi nkwasi asem but wa wo hwa na o me ye
so dear course but my union mining are you into mining?
Oh dabi minim be ye two mines
but what plans be say odu ho be shim
yes
I no be dey
fine papa go mu ama hwehwe ye prospecting lithium wo ho gold wo ho enti ye prospecting ye ne hwehwe say ye wo fuma gudi e betumi etudi ye go mu ayi a yen de ne enkoye Galamsey ne sade de but mabu no so mu nya adwuma ye enti me ni into mining currently minim how I ye no but ye hwehwem ye lithium no kwan ben ye befa so ebetu a be ye gold wo ho ogwa akrom me boys bebre wo go mu ogwa akrom gold ye see gold bebre wo ho ye ba behwem how we are going to go about it yen say forest but ye betu gold no asase na se all these things can be done enti me manage ho man dey ade papa manage ho but omo sheda ekwikwa forest se kra ye see the excavator ko so omo sheda say forest adenti na adwen bone won krofo tirimu sa
yes say
Bakra ukwa ise na asema beken wuni we yasa Ghana fo bedwa wo me kan sama
no so we say yes say yatesem
ana Yankopon dane brodo ene fish man krofo di na wugina hobi
So me nyina
so beti ya ba ugidi unyankopɔ da ne fish ne ayi mankrofo Yesu nante po so na wo ho so ugidi ana ungidi se Yesu nante po so
me ya no
utumi ya no
I don't know me don't know utumi family to me respond but last year ye call Abato mo ye nim so mampani Mahama Galamsey nkomo ya ono akole on mampani na nado at the time on declare state of emergency distraction na Galamsey ye deba it's not the expectation is aban se san ya wo ba ye no e be ya de kan ya wo be declare state of emergency because of Galamsey activities. We are almost 3 months into na mamu eni ade yente hwe state of emergency on declare en twetwe aso
John Mahama in declare state of emergency
so ka so be declare di o declare boni
he say ono afi na wabefa oman no o ka cha Akufo Addo say on declare state of emergency na Akufo Addo di 7 years or so
nti ono so di ahiansa
da bi ono kra de on di as long as Akufo Addo and at least say ye chance ni enya abotre ni ye hye nyoma yi a wo be solve problem no once and for all. John Mahama ehwe Akufo Addo mane tena ban mu 7 years 7 years plus and o ka kire wo say baby awedru no Galamsey no just say na wo ye no afi na ye bie document mo on so bi sam say gomua ensase wo ka so me say afi na magye bibia me hu enti no mpenifo se yemfa kwan we so you have stakeholder engagements, you speak with people, you afi when your Ministry for Lands and Natural Resources Minister yoba how long in here enti no all of these things are going to be done, but before that is done no say at least John Mahama or excavator omom share excavator no there matisa communication be because say excavator between they can drape machines no enti hu hia say e be hye no. So these are all things that are being put. Ansana MPP for Befia Bemun must see here. Go and check the report. A few months to leave in government, they issued licenses to Nkofo Bebre. So many people. In a year, do you know how many licenses somebody man Nkofo some mining? And did they do due diligence? Did they go and check say these people na mom license no? Opa kofa omo some year I'm saying na hweta mum nyom license. I was say a year on said that license. The report is there for you to see. On one said that licensing Crawford say if you are wait for the bar say no why did you issue all those licenses? And the people you issued license to, go and check where are they mining today. Opa yanchi ubi also mikuta license say may mining may say so may say forest. Now send the license unyana da ben.
Okay.
NDC for ban and say meba. Person chem say NDC for bar bem na say omo issue license minister chance how long ni I wait to issue license man for so monko Galamsey
na say nyo mo ye Galamsey na one license so be on ma go need document be a but your license
omo document e bi wo homo document but omo outside be ya mom so omo ye say adwuma no enti na John Mahama de ade bi ba ye ma license say ye mining wo ha ntie ni ye mo am ye mining no John Mahama de ade bi ba ye ma license say koye mining na ye kire obibi oba mining no na ye de chip machines no e wo tracker machine o ye adwuma no wunya move out of sa perimeter na machine no be call off e be send signal to baby say baby awu ye do asa wo de Uber am obi na wo de taxi am car am obi so from Uber na wo de how do you call this
trackers
ashim onam nyina no so ono onam ha so when you go out of baby ye dey am say ye adwuma na na wo ko baby ye forest reserve na nsu mu akose nsu a when you go out of that zone no, your machine goes off. We can use technology to solve all of these.
Ani na modeba
of course
mate Aplus ma mena se ne bra wanyama me
da sipin mi ne aba
me do be see
you're waiting for waiting and somewhere here Kwame Aplus Kwame asare obien ono so reacted to a year Reverend Ntim Fordjour ni sema okokeka no na Aplus dey sem do na ara na atudwa me ka say so you subscribe to channel dia bomodi and say obe subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu en somewhere koso e wo Ghana memha also betimi a kire wadwen afa ye somewhere nyina ho e wo comment box mu obati minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.